dear children, my name is Tadipamla Bhaskar. Welcome to Sri Educational Channel. You are watching Navodaya coaching classes. Today we are going to learn about LCM and HCF. First of all, let us take two numbers, 6 and 8. First we have to know what is the meaning of LCM. Do you know LCM? I will explain that. 6 and 8. So write multiples of 6. Do you know multiples? Okay, come on, say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, so on. You can write so many multiples. There is no end. Okay. Next, multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 72, 80, 88, like this we have to write. There is no end to write in multiples. Okay, so write common multiples. Common multiples. Common multiples means the number should be 6 and 8 places. Okay, in the multiples of 6 and in the multiples of 8 should be there. The multiple is called common multiple. So here, what is a common multiple? 24 and 24. So 24 is common multiple, and here 48, 48, and after that 66, 72. Okay, 72 is common multiple. Okay, so like this we can write 24 common and 48 and 72. After that we can get 96 and 120. Like this we can get. Here also there is no end. We can write so many multiples, common multiples. Okay, so in common multiples, what is the smallest number? Very good, 24. So 24 is called as LCM of 6 and 8. What is the meaning of LCM? Means least common multiples. First we wrote multiples, and after that we wrote common multiples. In those common multiples, what is the least number? 24. So that is called LCM. 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 That means least common multiple. Least common multiple. Okay. So then we can write LCM of 6 and 8 equals to 24. This is a common multiple and this is a least number in common multiples. So what is the meaning of LCM? Least common multiples. That means in common multiples we should take least number, smallest number, that is called least common multiple LCM. Do you understand? So Then how to find LCM of two numbers in division method? Let us learn after this. Okay, do you understand this? Okay children, very good. Let us take example 1. How to find LCM of 6 and 8. Here we should take division method. 6, 8. Like this we have to keep. We have to write. Same prime factorization method. Do you know prime factorization? In previous class we learned about that. Please watch that video before watching this. Okay. So first you take 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this we have to take. In order we have to take. Okay. So by 2 we have to divide these two numbers. What is the condition means? Two numbers should divide by taken number. At least two numbers. Here two numbers are there, so two numbers should divide. If you take 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers to find when you are finding LCM for those numbers, at least two numbers should divide by taken number. Here we should take 2, 2 3s are 2 4s are, and after that if you take 3, only 3 is dividing here, and if you take 4, only 4 is dividing. Okay, so don't take 3 and don't take 2 or 4. So this much only. Stop here. So 2 into 3 into 4, like this we have to write. 2 into 3 into 4. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So what is the LCM of 6 and 8? 24. First we wrote common multiples and we wrote common multiples, and what is the least number there? 24. So there we got LCM of 6 and 8, 24. So here also 24 we got. So this is the correct method. This is called division method for LCM. Okay. Next example 2. Example 2. Find the LCM of 16 and 24. So by 4 I am taking, because in fourth table 16 and 24 will be fine. Okay. So 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24. Next 2 you take. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Don't take 4, because here 4 only dividing, 6 is not divisible by 4. So you take 2. 2 2s are 2 3s are. Next if you take 2, this only divide, and if you take 3, this only divisible by 3. Okay, so stop here. So 4 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is a LCM. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So what is the LCM of 16 24? 48. Okay. Next example 3. Example 3, find the LCM of 10, 16, 12. Okay. So 10, 16, 12. I am taking 2 first. 2 5s are, 2 8s are, 2 6s are. 3 numbers are dividing. Okay. Next 2. Here 5 is not dividing. 8 and 6 dividing. What is the condition? At least 2 numbers should divide. So here 8 and 6 are dividing by 2. 5 is not dividing. So no problem. We have to take 2. So 2 in second table we can't find 5. That means 5 is not divisible by 2. So remain that number same. Write the number same, 5, and 2 4s are, 2 3s are. Next 5 only divisible by 5, 4 only divisible by 2, 3 only divisible by 3. So here 3 numbers, different numbers. Okay. For any number, at least two numbers is not multiplying, dividing. So stop here. So 2 2s are 2 2 and 5 and 4 3 into. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 24s are 80, 83s are 240. So LCM of 10, 16, 12 equals to how much? 240. Okay. Next, example 4. Find the LCM of 64, 32 and 48. Okay. Say children, first we have to take 2 or 4, any number. Okay. 4. Let us take 4. By 4, this number and this number and this number. 3 numbers are dividing. Okay. So 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 4 16s are 64, 4 8s are and 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 12s are 48. And next by 4, all numbers are dividing. So 4 4s are 4 2s are 4 3s are. Okay. Next, same situation. 4 is not divisible by any number. Hey, sorry. 4 2 by 2. We should take 2. By 2, these two numbers are dividing. 3 is not divisible. Okay. So you write same number 3 and 2 2s are and 2 1s are. Okay. 2 3. 2 3 means there is no numbers. Okay. So therefore LCM 4 into 4 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 3s are 64 3s are 3 4s are 12, 19, 192. So we can write what is the LCM? LCM of 64, 32, 48 is equals to 192. Okay. This is division method, how to find LCM. Okay. Do you understand, children? I will give some homework. You do that and you practice well. This is the basic topic. Okay. Do you understand? Okay, children.